At TotalCare, we specialize in supporting all types of food manufacturers, whether you're running a dairy, grain milling facility, produce processing plant, meat packaging operation, or a snack manufacturing line. Each of these environments is unique, but they all have one thing in common. They rely on fast, stable, and secure IT systems to stay productive and compliant. Most of the food manufacturing clients we work with prefer to keep their data on premises due to the large volume of production data, equipment control systems, and compliance documentation. These environments often include a mix of kiosk workstations, rugged devices on the plant floor, and internet-connected machinery running 24/7. Fast, local access to data is essential, not just for production continuity, but for regulatory traceability and quality control. Cybersecurity is just as important. With the increasing risk of ransomware and targeted attacks on the food sector, protecting your plant's operations isn't optional, it's critical. We make sure every device on your floor is secured. That means network segmentation, endpoint protection, secure remote access, and special attention to legacy systems still doing specialized work. Most of what we do at TotalCare to keep your company secure and running smoothly happens remotely. So if your plant and warehouses are not in Idaho, that's fine. We can still help you. We have employees and offices in Boise and Idaho Falls, and for clients who are out of state, we either fly to your location for planned visits and upgrades or send one of our many IT friends we have around the country who may be closer to your location. We work best with manufacturing organizations that are looking to completely outsource their IT department. However, for larger companies that have a director of IT or small in-house IT department, we offer co-managed IT. This means we are an outsourced resource for help desk escalations, cybersecurity solutions, and technology planning. The types of manufacturing organizations that see the most benefit in working with us typically have 20+ employees who use computers, internet-connected machines, tablets, or laptops for their job. They see cybersecurity as an investment, not an expense. Lastly, they value ongoing IT leadership and technology planning. If this sounds like your company, we should talk. The next step is to schedule a discovery call. It's a quick 10 to 15-minute chat where we discuss how you're currently handling your IT support, security, and compliance, and if it makes sense for you to work with us. If you are viewing this on our website, just fill out the form on this page to schedule your call. After submitting the form, you will see our live calendar where you can pick a time that is convenient for you to meet via a video call. If you are watching this on YouTube, check the description box for a link to our website. You can also call us at 208-881-9713. I look forward to hearing from you.